In this video, I'll show you the Japanese trick to fold any t-shirt in just 2 seconds. Pay close attention, I'll explain it slowly so you can understand it clearly. Right here, between the collar and the sleeve, you need to use the middle part as a reference, this spot I'm pointing to. Make a line until the bottom part of the t-shirt. Okay, you've got it. Now, we'll make another reference line with our fingers in the shape of a cross. Remember, you don't have to do this when actually folding the shirt. This is just so you can better understand the method. Now, at the point where both lines cross, hold that spot with your fingers. With your other hand, hold the area near the collar where we made the first line. Lift that part and move it over the other hand without letting go until you reach the other end of the line where the seam ends. Then, lift the t-shirt without releasing any of the points you were holding. It's almost done. I'll turn it here so you can see it better and place it on the table. And just like that, the t-shirt is folded quickly. Thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like these.